Hey everybody. So I've had some questions about how you go about understanding and calculating merchandise purchase discounts and understanding the terms and how those work. So the terms, so you'll see in my column here called terms, I've got a number of terms. They're always written in the same format, which is an amount of discount slash if paid within that many days, comma, and it's usually N for net 30. So this first one would be if you paid for your merchandise. So this is from the perspective of the buyer, the person buying this merchandise. If we pay for it within 10 days, we get a 2% discount. If we don't, then the net or total amount is due within 30 days. So your options there, if you're buying this merchandise, is to pay within 10 days and get a 2% discount, or if you don't pay within 10 days, then you need to pay the full amount within 30 days. The second one, a 120 or comma EOM, that means a 1% discount if paid within 20 days. If not, it's due by the end of the month. EOM means end of month. The third one, 120 or 110 N60 or 110 net 60 is usually how you hear people say it. That means a 1% discount if paid within 10 days, or the whole amount is due within 60 days. The last one, more unusual. You don't usually see this in real life, but a 530 net 90 would mean a 5% discount if you pay within the first month. If not, then it's due within 90 days. So that's what the terms mean, and I guess how to translate them. So to calculate the discount, so if we assume that we're taking the discount, meaning like on this first one, we're paying within those 10 days, then to calculate the discount, all we would do is take the gross cost of the merchandise times the amount of the discount. So for 2%, I'm multiplying it by zero point 0.02, sorry. So that tells me the amount of the discount there is $300. So the amount I would have to pay is the cost, the gross cost minus the discount. So if I took a 2% discount by paying within 10 days, I would get a $300 discount, meaning I would owe $14,700 to the seller. To do the 1% discount, we would simply take the $25,000 gross cost times 0.01. So that'd be a $250 discount. So the amount of payment would just be the 25,000 minus the $250 discount. The 1% discount on $60,000 should be $600. So the payment amount will be 60,000 minus 600. And then the last one, the 5% discount on 95,000. So 95,000 times 0.05. That's a nice big discount. And the amount of payment would just be the gross cost minus the amount of the discount. So that's really it. I mean, alternatively, if you wanted to skip this step of figuring out how much the discount is, I'll just do it here in this column. If there's a 2% discount, remember full price is 100%. So if we wanted to figure out just the payment amount without figuring out the discount and then subtracting it, we can also take the amount of the discount, so 2%. So I'll do a 100% minus 2%, which is 98%. And so we could just say this equals 15,000 times 0.98. And that would come out the same. And so that's another alternative way of doing it. So to do a 1% discount, the amount of the payment then would be 99% of the full gross cost. Again, a 1% discount. You could do the full cost times 99%. And with a 5% discount, we would say the amount of the payment is the full cost times 0.95 or 95%. So there's an alternative way to do it if you just are trying to calculate the payment amount, and it's kind of skipping that discount step. Anyway, I hope that's helpful to you. As always, if you have comments or questions, don't be afraid to put them under the video. If you find that this is helpful, then please subscribe. That helps other people find the content. And I hope you have a great day.